My name is Charlotte Butler. I'm a senior information analyst and I currently work at Mid Yorkshire Hospitals. I studied an integrated masters in theoretical physics at the University of Leeds. So my current role is a senior information analyst. So I'm working with a lot of waiting lists, I'm working with operations data. So we kind of deal with all the data within our trust. We will take the raw data of not just how many waiting, but we might look at average waiting list, what's affecting that. We might do some calculations on that, even just stuff simple percentages and stuff. Try and visualize it in a way that makes sense to other people so they can make the decisions on that. I chose physics because it had that application. I think I liked working through a problem from beginning and end, and then being able to see the actual application to that and why it was important. I really enjoyed that process of it. I think physics always sounds a bit scary. It sounds like you have to be really smart or really good at maths. It was really fun to kind of see all sides of physics because it was in my head it was a lot more varied than maths would be. I think my degree really helped me. So at uni we learned Python, so I did 2 courses in Python, and it was good. At uni we did a solo project as well, quite a big one, which kind of set me up for the vast amount of data that we use here as well. When I started at the university I had absolutely no career plans in mind. I didn't really know what I wanted to do, and then I think it was when the options of a placement year came in that I started really thinking about what I could be doing. So I used the career service to go over my CV and also just to discuss potential options. I also used them to have a interview practice. I was really lucky that I found a placement at this trust. So I started off as just a analyst, doing kind of similar thing that I'm doing now. And then during my final year, I knew I loved it, I knew I wanted to do it, so I stayed here part-time. I knew then I put myself in a really good place to get the job as soon as I graduated. I adore working for the NHS. I come away from my job feeling like I've had a purpose, I've done something valuable. I'm actually helping patients, especially when I can see my data being used to make decisions to better patients' lives. I knew I could never be a doctor or a nurse, but I'm still helping people out, and that makes me feel really good.